Mayong adlaw mga higala, I'm Mich, and for today, I will be sharing my black bottom cupcake recipe. Okay, for the ingredients, I have here for the chocolate cupcake, I have here water, vanilla, vinegar, brown sugar, flour, and then cocoa powder, egg, salt, baking soda, and my vegetable oil. And then for the top, the cream cheese, I have here cream cheese, sugar, and my egg. Tapos, sa pinaka-top niya pa talaga, I have chocolate chips. Okay? So, first, let's do the bottom part of the cupcake. You don't need mixer here. Just first mix all the dry ingredients. Halo nyo lang. Flour, baking soda, salt, Barrios cocoa powder, and your vitamins, brown sugar. You mix this one using wire whisk. Halo nyo lang. This is sifted already, ha? After that, make a well at the center. And then you put your oil. Tapos, this is water. You can mix here. Mix nyo muna dito si vinegar and your vanilla. Bago nyo ihalo here. Ayan. And then lastly, 1 piece of your egg. So, just mix it until ganito na yung consistency. Okay. Ayan. Set aside, tapos proceed tayo kay cream cheese na mixture. Okay? So, I have here Swiss Valley cream cheese. This is a very good brand from Global Pacific. Yan. Kailangan, para mas mabilis siya i-cream, kailangan at least 1 hour na labahin na sa chiller para hindi na siya matigas. Okay? And then, granulated sugar, white. Mix nyo lang for around 3 to 5 minutes. Okay? And then, add the egg. Ganun lang kasimple. Then, set aside natin to for the top layer. So, we have 3 layers, your chocolate, cream cheese, and the chocolate chips. So, get your cupcake pan, 3 ounces, and then, mag-ready ka ng dalawang scooper. 1 big and 1 small, okay? The big one, para dito. 1 scoop each. One recipe of this will give you 24 cupcakes. Yusin natin, ha. Baka magkabili. Okay. After the chocolate layer, let's proceed to the cream cheese. For the cream cheese, 1 small scoop. After the cream cheese, lagay nyo na si chocolate chips. On top. Okay, after the chocolate chips, Bake this one around 10 to 15 minutes sa preheated oven. Okay? Yan. So, our black bottom cupcake is done. Very easy to make. The chocolate cupcake sa bottom and then the cream cheese filling sa taas plus the Beryl's chocolate chips. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa YouTube channel namin. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates and for our upcoming videos. Bye!